People are becoming increasingly obsessed with the idea that a single molecule could be the secret to living forever, or at least living without that heavy afternoon energy crash that hits like a brick wall. We are all searching for that one hidden trick buried in our biology that can finally unlock better sleep and a faster metabolism. This search has led a lot of people to a very specific door labeled Fatty 15. It is a supplement built around a nutrient called pentadecanoic acid. This is an odd-chain saturated fatty acid that researchers have been looking at quite closely lately. The pitch is simple and very tempting. They tell you that your body is starving for this specific fat, and that by taking it, you can actually reverse the clock on your cellular health. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction novel. The marketing makes it feel like you are finally getting the missing piece of the human puzzle. But we need to take a step back and look at the reality of how these things actually work in the real world. The company points to a lot of scientific studies to back up their claims. These studies focus on the nutrient itself. That is great to see. However, it is not the same thing as a clinical trial proving that this specific pill will make you feel 20 years younger. Science is often slow and careful, while marketing is fast and loud. When you dive into the actual user reviews, the picture gets a lot more complicated than the advertisements suggest. You have people who are absolutely thrilled with their results. They talk about waking up feeling refreshed for the first time in years. They mention a steady stream of energy that does not leave them reaching for a third cup of coffee by 3 in the afternoon. That sounds like a total dream. But then you have the other side of the coin. Plenty of users report feeling absolutely nothing at all. They take the pills religiously and wait for the magic to happen. But the needle never moves. This is the gamble we take with any supplement. Our bodies are incredibly unique and complex systems. What works for your neighbor might be a total dud for you. Beyond the physical effects, there is a growing pile of complaints about the business side of the company. People are getting caught in subscription loops that feel impossible to escape. They see charges hitting their credit cards month after month, even when they thought they had canceled the order. This is a huge red flag for anyone who values their time and their budget. You have to be incredibly diligent when you are checking out on their website. Read the fine print twice. Look for the boxes that are already checked for you. It is a real product, but the experience of buying it can feel a bit predatory if you are not paying close attention. We also have to talk about safety. People often assume that because something is natural, it must be harmless. That is a dangerous way to think. Supplements can have real interactions with prescription medications. They can affect people with underlying health conditions in ways that are hard to predict. If you are managing a health issue or if you are pregnant, you should never start something like this without a long talk with your doctor. Fatty 15 is a legitimate product in a sea of fakes, but it is not a miracle. It is an interesting experiment in nutrition. If you have the extra money and you want to see if it works for you, go for it. Just do not expect it to replace a good diet and exercise. Keep your expectations grounded and your eyes open. It is a tool, not a cure-all.